Hey guys, so I'm back from camp, and wow, that was actually kind of insane. So we're gonna be continuing with the story mode for Mario Tennis Aces, and so I'm gonna go over here. Forest Edge. It's a dead end. Well, right. Well, Sure shot challenge. Hit 20 shots past your opponent with fewer than 3 misses. Okay, this should be easy. Where am I? Alright. Well, boom. Easy. Dude, game too easy. But, dude, you're too easy. Look at this. Like, I'm just rocking it right now. I'm not even trying. That was a sick trick. I'm part of the sick trick squad. Just get back over here. See, look. Hello? What is this game? What am I doing? Alright, I better not lose. Done. GG. Pretty swanky racket. Okay. Let's go over here and see what this area has. The time limit. Let's do it right now. But you can't deny this game got graphics. The graphics are amazing in this game. Here? Yep. Ooh, someone's getting mad. Ooh. And done. Easy. We have power stone. We got the time stone. Next, oh, we're here at the beach. That's cool. Alright. Okay. Ghost is fun, we don't. It's still float. Ghost just can't float, okay? So I guess we got on deck. I don't think that's the best idea, because, there's a... That's gonna be annoying to deal with. Alright. Oh. Okay. Low light. Oh, we have our, thing. We have a special, so maybe, wait, hold up, I wanna try something. Okay, he has 2 rackets. And another we can win by breaking his racket. Rackets. Plural. Alright, it was right beside you, buddy. Alright, look. I'm gonna win the game right here. Ready? You ready for this, guys? Ready? Bam. No way. How did he block that? Alright, we can... Hopefully he doesn't block it. Please don't block it. Thank you. Oh, that's gonna be so long. Why is that pass so long? We can make this quick. Alright, so we're at a Mirage Mansion, but that is going to be it for the video, and thank you guys for watching. New video tomorrow with a continuation of a series. I already have something in mind for it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.